Every year, millions of tourists visit Gujarat, flying in on their own wings. Flamingos, painted storks, great white pelicans, purple herons, great spotted eagles, Egyptian vultures. Birds from all over the world come and nest here. Gujarat, a warm and peaceful home for them. What is that special quality about Gujarat that attracts them? This is a refuge, not just for birds, but for everybody. Ask a flamingo where he's from, and he will reply, from Kejaria. If it's a chidiya, you'll find it in Kejaria. Breathe in the warmth, the fragrance of home away from home. Breathe in a bit of Gujarat.